Hi, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about snoring and sleep apnea. For a long time, we always thought snoring is a good sign that you're sleeping well, it's a sound sleep. But actually, nothing can be further from the truth. Snoring signifies an upper airway obstruction. Something is blocking your air passage. And if this obstruction is severe, it can lead to something called sleep apnea, which not only is the sound when you breathe, but a cessation of breathing, when you stop breathing for 10 seconds or more in multiple episodes through the night. This is harmful to you because it leads to a disturbed sleep, it leads to elevated blood pressure, cardiac problems, irritability, daytime sleepiness, etc. What do we do when you have snoring? Is first we like to assess you. We like to check for any obstruction, and then we always recommend something called a sleep study. A sleep study is when we monitor your breathing patterns through the night, oxygen levels, ECG, etc. to differentiate between simple snoring from mild, moderate or severe sleep apnea. In moderate to severe apnea, almost always the patient will require a sleep apnea machine to sleep with, which pushes air in under pressure and allows you to breathe well and also takes away the sound of snoring. For patients with mild snoring or apnea, or patients who cannot tolerate the machine, we may be able to suggest different surgical procedures to relieve the obstruction. Another aspect is weight. A lot of the patients who snore are slightly overweight, and any weight reduction, every kilo you lose, will help you as far as this problem of snoring is concerned. Hence, we always say that if you snore, please don't take it lightly and please consult your doctor, for this may turn out to be a more serious problem than you think.